अरे सॉरी एक मिनट
येलो येलो हो गया ना मैम राइट में गुलाल में
थोड़ा वो दे
ए नहीं नहीं
सेंटर
या परफेक्ट है
लाइट नहीं है
बस 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 ये बस है बस अरे नहीं रे उधर येलो आ रहा है येलो आ रहा है येलो आ रहा है अरे येलो आ रहा है उधर
मैम थोड़ा लेफ्ट में आ जाओ।
अभी मैं लाइट जहाँ पे वहाँ पे जाऊँ
बस हाँ
कृति जी यहाँ पे
अरे यार कौन है ये
मैम कृति यहाँ पे नीचे कृति यहाँ पे
लास्ट करो यहाँ पर देखिए
दीदी जी यहाँ पे लेफ्ट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट।
कृति जी यहाँ पे
कृति
तुम अच्छे नहीं दिखते
दीदी जी वेट वेट।
परम सुंदरी यहाँ पे
लुक यार
प्रीति
कृति जी यहाँ पे
प्रीति जी
कृति जी यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे
प्रीति जी
यहाँ पे यस ब्यूटीफुल
यस थैंक यू बाय
पक्का वो माइक यहाँ लेके आऊँ बट मैं वहाँ आती हूँ ना
So Kriti, I wanted to ask you that you have completed 10 years in the industry. To start with, you look gorgeous, Kriti.
Thank
Can you tell
you,
us why
thank
you're wearing Kriti?
I'm wearing Prabal Guru. You can see it. It fits me like a glove.
Kriti, you have completed 10 years in the industry. Now, this has been a great year, 2 back-to-back hits. Now, your most challenging role as an actor is coming up with Dopati. What can we expect? And how has your journey been in this decade?
It's been very good. As you said, Touchwood this year has started really well and two very different films. And the third one is extremely different from what I've ever done. I'm also co-producing for the first time, so that's also exciting. It's me and Kajol ma'am coming together with, of course, Shahir and Tanvi ma'am and other amazing actors. And you will know more about it very, very soon.
कृति how much has being a producer changed as an actor also?
It's not really changed me, but I can realize that it's a tough job. You know, you have a lot more respect for producers because you realize, okay, itna easy nahi hai to make a film, and there are a lot of things that happen on a set. There are a lot of, ups and downs that go on while making a film. There are a lot of things which are not in your control also at times. The time limit, the budget, all of that, how hard it is to actually make music, and to sometimes when things get changed on edit table, that is so amazing. I always felt like editing is something that really makes the film, to be honest.
Almost Kriti really changed things for you. And people started looking at you differently as an actor. Is it going to be a conscious decision on your part to do roles probably which are intense and nuanced?
Not, I mean, to be honest, तेरी बातों में ऐसा हो जाती है और crew both were not intense. So that's not true. I can't keep doing one kind of film. Definitely, Mimi has been a very, very special film. But at the end of it, I feel it's the story that touches people's hearts, right? So you also, as an actor, have to keep reinventing yourself and keep doing different stuff. That's what at least I try and aim. So whether you see Teri Baaton Mein or you see Crew, very different as films. Dopati is going to be again very, very different. But not every film gives you a character that makes you, dig that deep in. Sometimes it's also the story that's the main star of the film.
And does the also a movie like Crew, change things for the women in cinema?
I'm hoping. I hope it does.
Any change around?
I mean, it's too soon to say anything, but I hope that people make more such films firstly and take the risk of putting good enough money on it.
On female-driven movies?
Definitely.
Kriti, how do you balance you being an actor, entrepreneur, and also a co-producer now? Who comes first for you?
Who comes first for me? No, it's not first, second, third, to be honest. It's what is required at that point, to be honest.
How do you balance
When you do something that you're passionate about, I don't think you feel the need to balance. It happens on its own, When I'm on a film set as an actor, I'm there as an actor. My producer bulb doesn't switch on immediately there. There are other people thankfully taking care of that. When I come back home and I have messages from Hyphen Group, and I sit back on that. I have some samples from them. I'm trying that. So I think when you're passionate, you're excited, and then you figure it out.
One quality of Dopati's character that you wish you had?
पहले आप द्रौपदी का कैरेक्टर तो देखो, क्वालिटी कैसे बताऊँ अभी. Thank you guys. Thank you.